Here's yet another great way to progress the core strength for your neck to help with the recovery in your functional activities in sport. Begin by rolling out on your stomach onto a big ball with your hands and feet touching the floor only. Avoid tilting your chin out or extending your neck backwards. Press the tip of your tongue up against the roof of your mouth and raise both arms straight up and shoulder width apart with your thumbs pointing towards each other. Make sure the slack in the elastic band is taken up. Then, slowly abduct the arms out for 5 seconds, and then slowly bring them back again to the start position, again taking 5 seconds to complete the movement for your first repetition. Complete 5 repetitions, doing 3 sets 2 times daily. This exercise progressively strengthens the deep neck stabilizing muscles of your neck in correspondence with your upper and lower quadrant core strength. If you're unsure about the exercise or have any uncertainty about where you're at with the recovery of your neck, consult your local physiotherapist before continuing.